Hello, thanks for joining us today. Before you jump into HCM fundamentals, it is important to understand the role of an HR organization, also known as people organization. This training video is for newbies who have never worked in the HR team. In this training video, you will be learning about different HR functional teams and their roles and responsibilities. If you are already familiar with HR functions, you may skip this video. HR functions. Let's talk about different HR functional teams. Talent acquisition, also known as recruiting. This team is responsible for sourcing, attracting, interviewing, hiring, and onboarding employees. Here are the different roles in this function. Head of Talent Acquisition role. This role manages the talent acquisition function. This role is responsible for working with business leaders to understand current and future talent needs and creating a talent acquisition strategy that will help the company build the workforce required to achieve its goals. Recruiters. This role partners with hiring managers to understand their staffing needs. Creates and posts job requisitions on the internal and external career sites. Reviews job applicants and select candidates suitable for the job. Conducts phone and in-person interviews with candidates. Performs reference checks and background checks. Recruiting sourcers. This role is responsible for finding candidates suitable for open jobs. They reach out to sourcing agencies and search for candidates on career websites like LinkedIn, Career Builder. Recruiting coordinators. This role is responsible for setting up interview schedules with candidates, prepare offer paperwork, and help recruiters with recruiting administrative activities. Benefits team. This team is responsible for creating and administering employee benefits, retirement programs, and leave policies. These programs include medical, dental, vision, life insurance, short-term and long-term disability, 401k plans, paid time off and leave plans. Benefits manager. This role is responsible for developing, implementing, maintaining benefits programs, policies, and procedures. This role also ensures these benefit packages meet employee needs, comply with legal requirements, and are cost-effective. Benefits specialist. This role is responsible for assisting with the administration of all benefits, retirement, and absence programs. In addition, they address employees' questions related to their benefits. Compensation. Head of compensation. This role is responsible for managing the compensation function, creating fair, equitable, and competitive total compensation packages to attract and retain key talent, rewarding high-performing employees, developing compensation philosophy in line with company culture and objectives, ensuring compensation practices comply with current legislation. Compensation specialist. This role is responsible for administrating compensation policies and procedures. Conducting comp survey to ensure employees are paid competitively. Building job profiles with skills, competencies, qualifications, and experience required to perform the job. Talent development. This team recommends, develops, and implements innovative learning and development programs to support the full employment life cycle, including onboarding, career development, succession planning, and leadership development. This team assesses the current and future talent needs and creates training programs to fill the skill gap. HR business partners. This team works closely with business leaders to understand their objectives, help them build talent, leadership, learning, and culture, and develop people solutions to achieve the organization's objectives. Culture. This team builds a company culture that is made up of values, beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors. Culture in the company defines how people cooperate, share experiences and knowledge, support, and care for one another. HR technology, also known as HRIS team. This team is responsible for providing the tools and applications to HR organization to manage their talent, teams, and hire to retire processes effectively. HRIS manager. This role is responsible for managing and overseeing the organization's human resources information systems, creating HR technology roadmap and strategy to implement it. HRIS analyst. This role is responsible for maintaining the HR tools and applications, streamline business processes, ensuring data quality, and analyzing and reporting on the people data. Payroll team. Usually, the payroll team rolls up to finance. However, most of the HR applications include a payroll module as part of their application pack. This team is responsible for processing payroll calculations every pay period, paying employees, filing employer taxes, and posting payroll accounting results to general ledger. Here is the summary of HR organization's role in a company. HR organization works with business leaders to understand their short-term and long-term goals. Assesses the current talent, identify the skills gap to meet these objectives. Develops the current talent with new skills to meet the future demands. Works with finance to create a workforce budget plan to hire the new talent. Engages recruiters to find the bright talent from the market. Builds a culture in the company. Provides health and welfare benefits for workers. Ensures employees are paid competitively. Provides opportunities for workers to build their career in the company. Conducts surveys to understand employees' pulse. Watches attribution trends and take measures to keep the attrition under control. And does much more. Once again, thanks for joining us today. If you have any further questions, please visit our website hcmarmy.com. Also, you may reach us at 512-481-2747 or send us an email at contactus@hcmarmy.com. For more training videos, please follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel.